Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or format your FAT32 file system drive to an NTFS file system on your USB flash drive or flash disk. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And into the Start menu on Windows 10, you want to type in this PC. Windows 7 and Windows 8 users, you want to type in computer. You want to just left click on the best match listed here. Now you want to locate your flash drive or flash disk wherever you're experiencing the issues with, and you want to right click on it, left click on format. Now underneath file system here, you want to left click inside this drop down menu, then left click on NTFS default. Once you've done that, you want to make sure the checkbox next to quick format is selected, and then left click on start. Please note the formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. So I'm going to left click on OK here. Should say format complete pretty quickly. So left click on OK again to close out. And at this point, you should be good to go. The flash drive should have an NTFS file system type. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.